Why fry your egg when you can actually bake it in the oven? Welcome to NG Space. My name is Ngozi and you are welcome back to my space. So today I'll be making egg muffin. Let's get started. So the first thing I need to do is to cut my green, red and yellow pepper in small chunks. Once I'm done with my bell peppers and onions, I'll go ahead and cut my bacon in small pieces and I'll set aside. For my egg muffin, I'll need 6 eggs. I'll go ahead and I'll break them, 6 of it. Add my parsley, my dried pepper. You can add any, spices of your choice. I'll add my salt and I'll stir very well. I'll whisk it until I get the consistency I want. Then I'll add all my bell pepper, then my bacon. Then stir in very well and it's all ready to go to the oven, but I'm going to be spraying my muffin tray because that's what I'll be using to make this muffin egg or egg muffin. Yeah. Now ready to go into the oven for 16 minutes. Gas mark 140 degrees Celsius. Wow, my egg muffin is ready. Great for breakfast. If you stayed up to this point, thank you. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video and leave me a beautiful comment. More importantly, subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. At this point, I'll say thank you and I'll see you in my next one.